It's cheap. Hoover's just no main wash anyway. Hoover's just no main wash anyway. Yep. I might say we're not even discussing main wash by the way. We're not even discussing with Sainsbury's non-bio laundry powder anyway. So we're not even discussing a main wash anyway. Yep. It's got 1 hour 8 minutes left. It's got 1 hour 8 minutes left anyway. Yep. And temperature is just slightly about 40 degrees in there. Temperature is just about 40 degrees in there, but it looks like about 35 degrees anyway. But it looks like about 30. I think it does look like about 35 degrees anyway, but temperature probably looks like about 35 degrees anyway.
Stop the brakes!